Sweet. So what you heard me playing was a pentatonic, but I wasn't just playing it the random way, like an exercise, right? What I was doing was that I was playing it. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do this. All I want you to do is to watch this video till the end, because you are going to learn how to improvise like this, using this particular method I'm showing you, alright? So, I'm playing the key of D major, and I'm playing my B minor pentatonic, La, Do, Re, Mi, Sol, La, Do, Re. This first shape. One of the things that you can use to spice up your pentatonic skills and phrasing is to play patterns or groups of notes. So instead of just playing your pentatonic down and up like an exercise, what you can choose to do is to say, okay, how about I play my pentatonic skill using a group of 4 notes. What it means is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from this next pentatonic note that follows, I'll play 4 notes upward again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from the next pentatonic note I'm meant to play, I'll play 4 notes upwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the next pentatonic notes, I'll play 4 notes upward again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we're done with 4, I think we should play 6. But before then, I've created a course that teaches you how to solo in-depthly with your major skills, your pentatonic skills. And guess what? It has 22 solid, easygoing, user-friendly and fun videos. I know you love the way I teach, right? So imagine what that course is like. So if you're interested in learning how to solo, ensure you get that course with the link below, alright? So imagine we're choosing to use a group of 6 notes, for example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then another note. Then the other note. So now there's something I was also doing, is like stacking of notes. It's like going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. It's called rolling. I was rolling over a note. So it sounded something like this. So what I'm doing is Re, Mi, Sol, La. Then I'm playing the note above this La. So Re, Mi, Sol, La. Then I'm playing Mi, Sol, La, Do. So Re, Mi, Sol, La. Then Mi, Sol, La, Do. Then I'm playing these notes. So Re, Mi, Sol, La, Mi, Sol, La. So re, mi, sol, la, do, then sol, la, do, re. Do you understand? So re, mi, sol, la, do, sol, la, do, re. So that's how to do it. What we can also do is to do groups of 5 notes, right? So by the way, if you're enjoying this video, I want you to go to the comment section and let me know so that I would know whether to create more of this or less of this, all right? Thank you. So let's do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Sweet. I believe you enjoyed this video on pentatonic scales. Don't forget to get the course. If you haven't subscribed to the channel and hit the notifications bell, please do that right now so that you don't miss out on future videos. I have a Telegram community where we share tips, exercises, and a lot of things. So to be a part of it, use the link below and join. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.